so adorable. Did you hear me, Jakey? You're adorable. Okay, Jakey, that makes too much noise. You gotta stop it now.
I'll stop it. I stopped it.
Good job, Jakey.
But I cannot stop the noise.
Jakey, no.
And I stopped the noise.
But you started it again.
And I'm gonna start the noise again.
Well, don't start it, Jakey, or else you're gonna sit with me on timeout again.
And now I'm gonna spin again.
I want that loud.
Now, here comes some more noise.
Okay, Jakey.
Let's sit on this chair.
You gonna sit on that chair? Okay, sit on it. Put your butt all the way in it.
He's asking for
Okay.
timeout.
Gotta sit all the way in it. And guess what? You're gonna come sit by me.
Then it gets hard.